Alright, I made it to the fishing spot. It's actually really cold out and pretty windy, but it doesn't hurt to try and see if we can't catch a fish. It's supposed to get more and more windy as the day goes on. It's like, I don't know, it's 6:30 in the morning. A little bit more time and then I might just call it for now because my hands are really cold. They're gonna fall off my body. Calling it a day for now, no bites, and it is windy and cold. Didn't catch any fish. My fingers are really, really cold. Of course, I forgot my gloves and my sunglasses, so. We are back at the river, and the water has rose so much that where I used to stand, where I was just standing a few days ago, is like gone. That's where I was standing. Gonna try a spoon. It's really cold. My eyeballs are frozen. Cast, I guess. Last cast. No fish caught today, but maybe next time.
God bless.
The goal for today is to catch my first pike of the open water season. So I'm gonna throw this. I just stepped in the water. Didn't even get a cast out. My foot's already soaking wet. Nice. Bubbled up behind me, but it didn't grab me.
Ooh.
When this don't work, I don't even know what to do with my life now.
Yeah.
Come on now. Lost a fish. As soon as we start packing up, picks up instantly.